This is going to completely change how you make YouTube videos forever, because I'm about to show you how to clone any YouTube channel using AI. And I've tested this with 12 different channels across every niche, from tech reviews to cooking tutorials, and the results are insane. And the best part is you're not stealing anything from anyone. You're doing something that everyone is already doing, and that's looking into what's working and recreating it with your own twist. It's just that now you don't have to waste time, money, and have any previous experience because you're just using AI to do that. So let me show you how it works. Step number one, you want to find a channel you're trying to copy. I'm gonna go with this one because they only started 3 weeks ago and their first video has 3 million views and they've exploded with just 8 videos. According to Social Blade, they're already making 18K a month, which is absolutely insane for a channel that started less than a month ago. So I want to replicate that. Step number two, there's 2 different ways to clone these YouTube channels. First one is to use this AI tool called AI Flow Chat. You just need to create an account on the platform, go to the dashboard, and you can start a new flow, and then we'll come back to it in a second. The other option is Notebook LM, which is Google's free alternative, but it's never going to be as good as this AI tool. But whichever you pick, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with each of these tools. Step number 3, now you need to go back to that YouTube channel you're trying to clone, and you need to copy links to their YouTube videos. But just to save you time, so you don't have to copy those links manually, you can go to Google, you can search for Grabbit Chrome extension, open up the first one that shows up, click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension, and then once you have it, you just need to scroll down, click on Add New Action, click on the mouse button, left click. You can also add a modifier key or keep it out, and then you can select the box color and then select the type to be copy URLs to clipboard and click Save Action. Now, once you've done that, when you go back to the YouTube channel, you'll see that once you press Shift and then select these videos, it copies links to all of them with just one press of a button. So the very next step is to go to either of these 2 AI tools. And I'm going to use AI Flow Chat as an example because, again, it's way better at cloning YouTube channels. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to add a group. Now, inside of that group, I'm literally just going to paste these different videos. So it's going to ask you whether you want to import these 8 links or whatever amount of links as web nodes or text nodes. You want to make sure you select web nodes. Now, once I have that, here we go. These are all the different videos from that YouTube channel that I've selected with just one press of a button. That was pretty fast. So this tool now analyzes these videos, it watches the visuals, and it also analyzes the transcript and the style of speaking. And now you're going to need this setup board, which I've created for you for free. You're going to find it inside of my free community. Literally just go to OBF. I'm going to link it in the description. It's free. Just go to the classroom section over here, click on AI systems. You're going to find a bunch of gifts there, again, all completely free. And then make sure you go to all you need as a solo founder, and then just scroll to AI Flow Chat free setup board, and you're going to see it. It's going to look something like this. So in here, you're going to find 3 different links, and these links give advice on how to write super high quality scripts. So you want to make sure you add a new group right over here, right below this, and then you're going to paste those links, because we also want to teach AI how to write higher quality scripts even than the original channel that we are trying to clone. And additionally, you're also going to find this massive guide which I created for writing super high quality scripts. You can just download it as a PDF document, and then you can also add it to the board, literally just drag and drop like this. And now, as we have these 2, we just need to add the AI chat on the right hand side, and we need to connect these dots. So literally just click on the plus icon and connect them. Once they're connected to the AI chat, you want to make sure that Claude Sonnet 4 has been selected from the list. Then inside of the document, you're going to find this massive prompt that you're going to paste inside of this AI chat, and you will just need to enter the title of the video that you are trying to create. So for example, I want to replicate this one. And then once you're done, just submit this, and AI chat will analyze that entire YouTube channel that we're trying to clone. It will analyze all their videos, and it will apply advice from these scripts to write an even better, higher quality script for you in that exact same style. But it doesn't end there. We need to clone other things as well, not just the script. By the way, if you don't want to pay for that AI tool, you can also use Notebook LM. It's not going to be as high quality, but it's free and you can still kind of do the same thing. Next step. All right, now I want to replicate their thumbnails. So I'm going to go to that YouTube channel. I will open up the video thumbnail that I like. I will click on the share button and I will copy the URL, and then I will go to this AI tool called Pixels. And then once there, I will create an account, and with this account, I'm going to click on recreate the thumbnail, and I will paste a link to the thumbnail. And then if I want to change the text, so if I go back here and I want to see what I put, so to say wasted 52 years, I'm going to say change the text to wasted wasted 47 years. Once I click generate, it starts cloning that thumbnail just in a slightly different style. There we go. Now I'm gonna download this thumbnail to my device. Next step, we need to clone their voiceover, and for this I'm gonna be using Google AI Studio. This is a free text-to-speech software which actually has really high quality voices. So on the right hand side, you just want to select single speaker audio, and then you can select which voice you want. I'm gonna go with this mature voice, and then on the left hand side we just need to paste our script. And again, we've already cloned the script with this AI tool. I'm just gonna grab the first line as an example, but we need to paste the entire thing. Once we have it, we just need to press run, and then it reads that script for me, and then I can download the voiceover once it generates. If you want more options and higher quality voices, then you would go to 11 Labs. Just 11 Labs is not free like the previous AI tool, but on here you can go to instant speech. You can paste your script here, and then the right hand side you can select some voices that would match the style of content you need. Next step, now we need to clone the visuals they have. So believe it or not, this is actually AI generated. This guy does not exist. So they've created this image in Nano Banana. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this scene. So anytime you see a YouTube channel that is animated or AI generated, just take a screenshot, then go to ChatGPT, paste that screenshot, and just say create a very detailed prompt that I can copy into Google Gemini's Nano Banana to get this style of image of an elderly man, super realistic with that, just like the example image. Now you'll see that ChatGPT generates this entire prompt for us based on the reference screenshot that we have attached. So copy this entire prompt, then go over to gemini.google.com, select the tools to create images, and then paste it inside of this box. I would just add that ratio should be 16:9. And then once you get the image, just click on the download button over here, then go to Adobe Firefly, upload that image, click on expand, and then just select widescreen and click generate. Now, if you also want to remove Gemini logo, just click to remove and then select that part just like this and click generate. Now just click keep and click download. Additionally, if you want to animate the whole thing, just go over to HeyGen, click on create with an AI studio, and just upload that image and then paste the script on the left hand side. Bonus. Now again, if you don't want to use any of these paid AI tools, just go to Notebook LM, click on try Notebook LM, click on create new from scratch, then go back to that YouTube channel, highlight all of their videos so you can copy links with one press of a button, then click on website and then paste those URLs. See, with just one press of a button, I pasted all the links from that YouTube channel, and then Google Gemini analyzes their YouTube videos so I can start speaking to it. So now I can say in that same style, write another YouTube script for a video titled, and then I'm just gonna do like a very similar title, not the same, just gonna change years in this case. And by the way, this step is only if you didn't want to use AI Flowchat or any of the other ones. And there we go, it now starts writing the script for me. It's again gonna be slightly different because it doesn't have as much context as the other AI tool, and it's gonna be much shorter, but still, again, it's free. Then we can click on video overview as well, and that's how you can essentially clone any YouTube channel using these AI tools.